welcome back. Hope you guys are doing very well. Today I have some really quick and great organization ideas that I'm going to share with you guys that I incorporate in my life, and maybe it may help you in your life. So I hope you do enjoy. If you do, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. And if you're new here, my name is Angel and I love to have you part of this family, so don't forget to click that subscribe button. Look at this. You guys like my shirt? Says mom in the making. I just thought that was so cute. I got this I think when I first got pregnant, and now you can definitely see it without the shirt telling you that I am pregnant. And if you're interested in pregnancy videos, I'll leave a link to my pregnancy series below, as well as don't forget I have my Christmas videos out there. So if you love Christmas, to take a look at those and drop me a comment below and let me know if these organization ideas helped you or can possibly be of help to you in the future, because they have definitely helped me in my life. Let me just say that I have not been the most organized person in my life, but I have learned you can change habits, guys. You can definitely change habits. I found my life to be a lot less stressful and a lot better because of organizing. So keeping my office organized has definitely been a huge help for me. So hopefully these tips will help you guys as well. So let's show you what I got. One thing you have to organize in your office is paper, and keeping paper organized and declutter helps to keep your office clean. This first paper organization I'm going to show you is my shipping center. In this I have all of my shipping supplies. So in this folder, I love these folders. They're 3-prong folders, and they're different sizes, so you can put a variety of things in them. And so for this one, I labeled mine for stamps and address labels, and I keep all of that in that folder so it's easy to access. And then I also keep, in this file holder, I keep different size envelopes in here. I also have white envelopes. I just was out of them. I gotta get some more, but I keep all of my shipping supplies over there in that station. It makes life a lot easier. So I also have a mailing center, and this is my whole mail system. Keeping your mail clear is so helpful. And so I got this over the door rack that holds 4 different sections. And so what I did was I labeled each one, or most of them anyway, like bills to pay. I have a spare one, and that's usually where I just put the mail that needs to get gone through, things to cancel. And then I have follow-up and notices, and organizing the mail as it comes in just makes life so much easier and keeps your office and your home clutter-free. So a tray system is also great. They serve to keep your desk organized. Like I have a white tray holder on my desk. I also have a clear tray holder. I'll link them both below in my description box. I actually link as much as I can in my description box for the things that I'm using to organize. And these trays are just great to keep clutter for your desk. And they're white so they can hide things. So you can just stick things that are on your desk in there. They're such easy hideaways. And I think trays are just great to have around. And I also found these expandable file folders on Amazon, and these are so great for organizing so many different things. I personally use them for taxes and my receiptings for my businesses, and they come with tons of different tabs and sections on the inside, and the whole file folder expands so it can get, you know, pretty big and keep a lot of files. And you know, I definitely love these and think these are great, you know, for different things. You can use them for homework folders or any type of paper system. Like I said, I'm using mine for a tax system and my receipts for each year, so each year has its own expandable folder, so it's easy to find and keep track of things. But yeah, you can use them for so many different things. And I also have a desk filing system, and this is for things that I access frequently. I use these color coding labels to help just section off the different parts of my filing system. So for like green is all money related, so it's everything from like taxes to bills. It's just anything financial related or money related. And then the pink section is pretty much everything like health insurance and medical related. So like my dogs and their pet records. So each one of them has their own folder for their vet records. And then me and my husband. So all of that is kept in that section. And then the yellow section I have for cars as well as miscellaneous. So just everything related to cars, from insurance to, you know, purchase documents and all of that. And then orange is for things home related. So it can be from home repairs to home insurance, home quotes, just most everything around the home. And again, I use yellow again for miscellaneous items. So I use these gray hanging files in my desk drawer here. I like the gray because it's neutral. Some people don't use folders inside their hanging files. Totally up to you. I like that because when I'm looking for something, I just grab the folder, pull it out, and then put it back. And I actually have multiple folders within one hanging file folder. And as you can see, I still have lots of space in this drawer, and a lot of these files will get shredded at the end of the year. Talking about shredding, another way to keep your paper organized and decluttered is to have a shredder. I found this shredder on Amazon. It's an Amazon basic shredder, and I really like this shredder. One thing I will say about it, it has a reverse button on here. So if you have a paper jam, you just hit the reverse and it'll pull it back up. The reverse button helps to definitely clear jam easily. Shredding your paper definitely helps with your paper system and keeping papers free and clear within your home and office. Okay, so let's look at cabinets and shelving. So I'm going to show you inside my cabinets and bookcases and shelving here. If you guys have not saw my office tour, I have tons of videos where I show you my entire office. Today I'm just showing you my organizing. So within these cabinets, I have 4 of them. So this first one is my camera and equipment cabinet. I'll go into detail. So I keep my battery storage in this little craft utility box that I picked up, I believe from Walmart, but I'll try to leave links. And those baskets came from Ross. Bottom gray basket, I have all my cable wires, and then the top blue basket, I have all my phone wires and chargers. I probably may go in and label them, but for now I'm the only one in my office pretty much. And in this clear bin, I keep all of my SD cards and my flash drives. This came from Dollar Tree. It was $1. Also on that second row, I keep my camera bags, and up top I got all of my camera equipment in these Dollar Tree bins that I found, and it just works great for keeping my camera stands and my actual cameras separate. And I still have 2 cameras missing, one that I'm filming on now, and I have another one that's missing, but all my camera equipment is kept there. And then up top above that, I have these 2 little blue magazine racks. I got these from Dollar Tree, guys. They're so totally cute. And inside this one, I keep all of my journals. So yep, the magazine rack serves as journal storage because I keep lots and lots of journals. I like to write a lot of things down. For me, it works so much better and helps with productivity and just goals and such. But yeah, I keep that hidden and tucked away in that. Moving to my next cabinet, and this one is my paper storage. Okay, so look, it's real life. This is how it is. So on the bottom drawer here is my additional paper storage down there. A Dollar Tree bin, and I have all of my inks in it because I have 2 printers, and then I have my mug equipment as well. And then above there in this white IKEA box, I have all of my color paper, and next to it I have another IKEA box with paper storage and documents that I need to look at. And then up top, I just have my white paper for refillers for my printer. And then here in this Dollar Tree bin are my receipts that need to get filed and tucked away. And above the cabinet is another filing system I have. I found these file folders from Amazon. They're so cute. I'm a freaking professional. And then I also use some more of those triple expanding file folders for some of the big thing, some of my projects and different items, because you know I do social media. So I have one for projects, one for like Facebook, one for my goals, and you can keep all of your notes in them. And you know I write notes all the time, so it just works great because you can store so many different size papers in these folders, and it's just an easy way to keep track of that. Moving to the next cabinet. So in this cabinet, it's empty right now. That's because the first two shelves are going to be my logbook areas, and I still have those packed away. I have not even unpacked them, so I do have a lot of logbooks, and all of those are just going to go on those first two shelves. And here on the bottom shelf, I have a row of magazine racks. These are miscellaneous file folders, from my piano documents to music stuff to my old home to my husband's stuff. They have their own little space in these magazine holders, and they're just files within those. Moving on to the next cabinet, I have Dollar Tree storage in here. These white bins just hold miscellaneous items. I have some free storage areas. I have my pads in a clear one, and I have these two clear bins I picked up from Walmart. And on the bottom are a few more clear bins that I found at Dollar Tree that keeps my stickers and my labels, and I have some, again, free ones. Moving on to drawer storage, over here in my IKEA drawer dresser. A variety of storage bins within this drawer just to keep things organized and easy to find. Most of them came from Dollar Tree. As a matter of fact, the only one that didn't come from Dollar Tree is the big gray bin on the end. But yep, I got notepads in this napkin holder and pens and all of that in the Dollar Tree bins. Now this big gray bin, that's 2-leveled, and it's a sliding top, so you can store things up under it. It's so great. I really like it. This came from Amazon, and I just think it's so great to organize all of your office items. So in the second drawer here, I use expandable dividers to separate the spaces, and these are great because they're deep. A lot of the drawer dividers are like not that deep, but this one was deep because I wanted a really wide one for these type drawers, and it works great for just storing my different office items. I like to keep disinfectant wipes in here to wipe things down, as well as office supplies, and the drawer dividers work great. In this next drawer, I have these flexible bins that I got from Walmart, and within that, all of my stickers I keep in this Ziploc bag that I got from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has some great items to help you keep your office items stored and organized. And these flexible bins came from Walmart. They're so great because you can like put them in different spaces. And I also have other office supplies stored in here, like ones for my notepads, and I have this clear one that's for my index cards, as well as some more notepads, and it just serves great to keep things separate and easy to find. And in this last one, I use another divider drawer. I just have more of my access folders and printing labels and items for printing. And then another thing you can do is use these little drawer organizers that are found at Dollar Tree, and you can store different types of items in them. They serve great for drawer organization. And then in my desk drawer, I'll show you how this is organized. Again, Dollar Tree bins, and I have all of my things that I use at my desk constantly, and I just need to have within my reach. So notepads, sticky notes, pens, pencils, markers, napkins, because I'm always drinking or eating at my desk, and then scissors, some gum, chapstick, all of that here at my desk, so I have easy access, and they're all tucked away with Dollar Tree bins. And the last little hack I'm going to show you is I love this little table. It's a laptop holder, and it's movable. You can make it higher, you can make it lower, like if you're on a table or island or anywhere, because sometimes you don't want to search your desk, you want to go somewhere else around your home, and it just helps, and it's easy to store. So yeah guys, I hope you did find this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give me that thumbs up, as well as drop me a comment, say hello. I like to talk to you guys. So see you guys in my next video.